In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an envelope in Docusign. Whether you're wondering how to nudge someone about an important document or simply correcting an oversight, this guide will walk you through every step with clarity and ease. First things first, let's ensure you're logged into your Docusign account. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage, a familiar dashboard if you've been using this service for a while. Now, direct your attention to the navigation bar, where you'll see a tab labeled Agreements. Click on that to proceed to the section where all of your document transactions live. This area is essentially your virtual filing cabinet in Docusign, helping you manage all your agreements efficiently. Once you're there, locate the Sent folder. This is the repository of all documents you've sent out for signatures. Clicking on Sent will give you an overview of every agreement awaiting action from your recipients. It's like flipping through a catalog of all your outgoing communications, providing both overview and specifics as needed. The next task is to find the particular envelope you wish to resend. You might have to scroll a bit if there are many items listed, but don't worry. The list is typically ordered by date sent, making it somewhat easier to pinpoint recent items. Take your time to locate the exact envelope you require. Beside each document, you'll notice 3 small dots stacked vertically on the right side. This icon indicates more options for the respective envelope. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. It's almost like popping open a toolbox, revealing more actions you can take with this specific document. One of the options you'll see is Resend. Click on Resend, and just like that, Docusign will trigger the process to send out another notification for the recipient to sign. It's a straightforward but powerful feature that ensures your reminder reaches the intended party, keeping the momentum of your agreement moving forward. So, there you have it. With these steps, logging into Docusign, navigating to your sent agreements, selecting the desired envelope, and clicking the Resend option, you can confidently dispatch a nudge for action on outstanding documents. This process is not only user-friendly, but also saves time and reduces the hassle of manually reminding recipients. It's a practical feature worth knowing, especially if you manage multiple documents requiring signatures. Should you encounter any issues during the process, Docusign's help resources are just a click away, offering troubleshooting guides and additional support. Remember, effective document management is all about ensuring your agreements flow smoothly between parties, and these steps are designed to empower you to do just that.